Okay, dear students, now we'll continue our lesson. Lesson number 10, the Birbal visits heaven. Just listen to the book. The emperor was curious to find out what his courtiers were planning to do and how Birbal was going to out with them. He had great trust in Birbal's cleverness and he was sure that he would escape Olga. This is the last video's class. The next today's video, the next paragraph. He sent for Birbal and told him, Birbal, you must go to heaven as my messenger and get some information about my ancestors there. The king Akbar, he sent for Birbal and told, he met the king Akbar met Birbal and told him that the Birbal, you must go to heaven. One day, the next day, you should go to the heaven. For what purpose? There, my ancestors are living. My old parents, they are living. They already died, but they are living in the heaven. So, you should go there and seek their or problems or other all things. But Birbal, you must go to heaven, ask my messenger and get some information about my ancestors there. And you should collect some information from my old grandparents. So next day you should go to the heaven. How is one to do it? You are the magistrate, Birbal asked. Has anyone ever been to heaven and come back to this world? The Birbal replied to Akbar, how is one to do that? How can do this? That is not possible. Birbal asked, has anyone ever been to heaven? The people, if we go to the heaven, we cannot come back again to the earth. Has anyone ever been to heaven and come back to this world? Then we cannot come back to this world. My barber knows a clever man who will arrange your visit to heaven. He was planned everything for you. My barber, you know my barber? My barber, he is a very clever man. He already arranged all the things for your travel into heaven. My barber knows a clever man who will arrange your visit to heaven. He has planned everything for you. He already planned everything for you. But your majesty, said Birbal, why cannot he go himself or send the barber? Why can't he go himself? The barber raised a doubt or raised a question in front of. He put a question in front of Akbar. The barber can go there. What is the problem? Why can't he go himself and send the barber? You can send the barber also. No. The barber is not good enough, replied the emperor. The emperor replied, the king replied, no. The barber is, that is not good. The barber is not good for this purpose. No, the barber isn't good enough, replied the emperor. I want to wise man, asked the messenger. Get ready to go. The barber is not a wise man. He is not good for this purpose to go to heaven, to collect the information about my ancestors. But you are very right person, you are very wise person, so I request you should go to the heaven to collect the information about my ancestors. So get ready to go. The Birbal left the palace. He went out from the palace, greatly disturbed in mind. The great disturbance in his mind. After a day or two, he was told about the plan to send him to heaven. On the appointed day, they would make him sit in a chair in the burial ground and the chair would be burned. He would then go straight to heaven. After a day or two, after 2 days, he was told about the plan to send him to heaven. After 2 days, the Birbal said to Akbar and others, what about his plan to go to heaven? On the appointed day, one day is fixed to starting the traveling or journey to heaven. on the appointed day, they would make him sit in a chair. They allowed Birbal to sit in a chair in a burial ground. They prepared a ground with fire, and the chair would be burned. The chair would be burned. He would then go to straight to. They will put the fire. Then the chair would go to the heaven with Birbal. That was the plan. The Birbal was able to see at once that some jealous courtiers were planning to bring about his death. The Birbal already understands some courtiers, they are making some negative planning against me for my destructions, for my vanish from the earth. They wanted to destroy me. The Birbal was able to see at once that some jealous courtiers were planning to bring about his death. I am sure, he said to himself, my friend the emperor knows what these men really wanted to do. He is only waiting to see and how I shall outwit them. Okay? He considered the situation for a while and then hit upon a plan. And Birbal visited the burial ground and all the planning made by the courtiers and the king. And he understood all the parties about his traveling appointment today, what will happen. And he visited that place. After visiting, he made a plan in his mind how I can escape from this trick or plan on the appointed day in front of a big crowd. On the appointed day, in front of a big crowd means a group of people, number of people, lot of people. They were also came there to watch and see. Birbal was made to sit in the chair and tied to it. The Birbal was sitting on a chair and some other courtiers, they tied his hands with the hands of chair. The Birbal was made to sit in the chair and tied to it. The logs of sandalwood were piled on top of him and set fire to him. The logs, a piece of sandalwood, they put on the this chair for the fire. The barber and his friends watched the flames going on. The barber and his friends means some other courtiers, they watched the flames going on. They were happy, and that last they were able to get rid of Birbal. Why did they happy? Because they became free from Birbal. Yes, but they had really not get rid of him. Long before the burning took place, he had got a secret underground passage dug from his house to the burial place. Actually, that was a planning of Birbal. The Birbal made an underground passage from his house to burial ground. And Birbal, at the time of burning time, he escaped through the underground passage to his home. Before the fire cut on, he slipped through this passage and was back in his house. He returned to his house. 3 weeks passed. 3 weeks passed means 3 weeks after 3 weeks. Meanwhile, Birbal found out who were the makers of the wicked plan. The Birbal understood who are his enemies. Wicked plan means morally or immoral plan. That is the meaning of wicked. Then one day, a man with bread appeared before the emperor in the presence of his courtiers. One day, after 3 weeks, the meeting of the courtiers in the palace, the one man came there with a long bread. It was Birbal. The Birbal again appeared in the court of palace. At that time, the Akbar is sitting with his courtiers. Everyone there ruffled their eyes in wonder. Akbar stood up and received him with upon arms. Then with a tingle in his eyes. He asked Birbal, "How are my ancestors?" "They are happy." The Birbal said that they are very happy, fine, said Birbal. But, oh, it is not very important, your majesty is not important. But I must know what it is. Our ancestors have no barbers in heaven, and they want one immediately. Their braids are very long and touch the ground. You won't recognize them if you see them. Sometimes they step on the braids and fall over. Your ancestors have no barbers. That was the problem in the heaven. There is no barbers. So your ancestors, your grandparents, they have a long braid. The braids are very long in touch the sometimes their bear touch the ground. You won't recognize them if you see them. Sometimes they step on their beds and fall down. Maybe sometimes they fall down due to the long braid. "We will send our own barber to them," said Akbar. Akbar said to Birbal, okay, I understand it. Today we will send our own barber to the heaven. "That's not enough, your majesty," said Birbal. "You should also send your respects to your ancestors through some of your courtiers. You should send, I request you should send some courtiers also to the heaven to exchange, to hand over your respect to the ancestors." And he mentioned the names of the courtiers who had planned to kill him. "All right," said Akbar. "They also will go with the barber." The barber, in that way, he out with the plan. He escaped from his great tragedy by his wit and wisdom. I think that you understand and enjoyed the video and enjoyed the class and study the lessons. One or two times you should read the lesson. It is very simple story. You can easily understand the meaning of the. There is no more difficult word in this lesson. And study the question answers. I will give some more work based upon this lesson and do all these works in your home. Don't miss these studies. Bye.